Zhink. Hello. May ipapakita lang ako sa inyo. Ito yung magandang site ng building namin, which is going upstairs. Laki. Pero you'll see some sites here na maganda, or ano. It's winter. This month is winter now. So here we are, and it's a beautiful place. It's just cold. Napakalamig dahil it's 12 degrees below. Shit, ang lamig. Whew. Okay, where do I start? Okay, ito pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. You see it? There. See? Ayan. Yan ang Macau. Pero sa banda doon, yun, ayun, nakita niyo? Eto, nakikita niyo to. Yan, itong pinipoint ko. China yan. Yep. Yun, China yun. Pare ko. So, dito naman, in this part here, yep, this part right here is most beautiful part na pakita ko sa inyo, where you can see the Macau Tower and some other sites. Teka. Ayan. There. Ayun yung Macau Tower. Ito Macau Tower yan. Yan. Here's the other building. Yung part ng Macau. Ito, pinapakita ko ngayon. This is the seaside. Yup. Seaside siya. Ayun. Nothing particular here. Just same old view. Yan. Mama, papa. Siguro one time punta kayo dito. Pero gusto nyo winter para malamig, or summer. Pero pag summer dito sobrang init eh. Pero tingnan natin kung anong magagawa, diba? Ayun. Miss you guys. Love you, honey. Okay, yun lang kaya kong paano kayo, cause it's a little site, but it's okay. Honey, nakita mo yun? You know, it's boa. Alala mo yun. And yung ibang place dito na puntahan ko na. So pagdating nyo, maybe I'll just give you a tour, or just look around. Enjoy nyo rin. Okay? So maybe I'll take videos some other time again para makita niyo ibang places. Okay? Bye, Dad. Bye, Mom. I love you. Love you, honey. Bye-bye.